Hi there. This is a quick video, I guess, to show you how to add a user override. And I'm gonna show you two different kinds. So I'm in one of my sample courses and I'm gonna go to my demo quiz. And just as a quick refresher, under the settings for that quiz, often we have a timing set. Under timing, a time limit has been enabled for 1 hour. And what that means is from the moment a student opens this quiz and clicks on start attempt, they'll have exactly 1 hour or 60 minutes and then it will stop them. So that's already preset into there, and we want that to apply to everybody in the class. However, we occasionally have a particular student who needs a special allowance, shall we call it, and we call those a user override. So on the left side, go down and you're going to find your quiz administration, and inside there you should see user override. So I'm going to open user overrides, and right now there are none set. I'm going to add a user override. And the first thing I need is what user this applies to. So I'm going to search, and I've put some sample students in there. This test student number 2 is who we're going to do this for. And the time limit, instead of 1 hour, I'm going to go ahead and give them 90 minutes. It doesn't let you use decimals, so 1.5 hours doesn't work. I have to go 90 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and say save and enter another override. Oh, what have I done? Oh, okay. Uh, because I have that quiz hidden, it's giving me grief. That's all you would do. You'd hit save and it's there. You can see the user's name. The override has been added under time limit and it's been changed to 1 hour and 30 minutes. A second kind of override that you can do has to do with attempts. Lots of our attempts or lots of our quizzes are set to a single attempt. We don't want them to be able to open it back up and try again. However, again, sometimes you'll have something go wrong and you want to grant a second attempt to a student. You're going to do the same thing. You would find your student in here and you would change your attempts allowed to however many you want them. Now, if they've already written it once, you want to change it to 2 so it will allow them a second try. And you're going to hit save. And now you can see that there is a second user override there. It applies to that particular student. And the type of override is an attempt, and it gives them 2. You can have as many of those in there as you need. So if you reuse your course, you don't have to worry about getting rid of old ones. But if you want to get rid of them, it's as simple as hitting the trash can or the delete trash can on the right side. And if you want to change it, if you realize that, oh, this hour and 30 minutes was supposed to be 2 hours, you just hit the gear wheel and you go into settings and you make the changes you need. And that will all run automatically then. The rest of the class that aren't listed here will still be limited to whatever the original settings were in the quiz.